I find the Dace in oil with the salted black beans. So fish with the You Mai. You got the fins. They got the bone also. The second dish is the oyster omelette. Which firstly we make the flour paste. I use the sweet potato flour. 2 spoons. Water. Today the version don't have any the spring onion, the fish sauce, white pepper. Okay, this is the base. Done. Let's fry the You Mai first. Use the black bean and oil. Be careful, there's some water in the oil. Garlic. Together with the fish. Ooh, that's it. Very easy and simple. Then is the oyster omelette. More oil. Stir it before you fry. Okay. Egg. Well done. You Mai fried with Dace. Oyster omelette. Time to eat. Bye bye.